When Egypt Dean was 5 years old, he made a beat. Just a kid playing with music. Except his beat ended up on a Kendrick Lamar album in 2016. That credit is real. It's been verified since the album dropped. That beat has been paying him royalties ever since. For 10 years. While he was in elementary school. While he was at basketball practice. While he was asleep. And this summer, at 15, his family announced a 7-figure investment into a sports drink company. I'm Marcus. And every number in this video was fact-checked against primary sources before I said it. Yes, Egypt Dean is the son of Alicia Keys and Swizz Beatz. He had access most of us will never have. But the mechanism in this story doesn't require famous parents. It is the single most important money concept, the difference between income and assets. Income is money you trade your time for. You babysit for 3 hours, you get paid for 3 hours. You stop working, the money stops. An asset is something you own that pays you whether you show up or not. Egypt's beat is an asset. He made it once, at age 5. It has paid him every year since. No additional work required. That's why the story matters. The beat wasn't just income, the beat was his first asset. He owned the copyright, and it paid him for a decade. Then, instead of spending that money, he used it to buy another asset. That's the whole game. Assets buy assets. The sequence: create something once, it pays you repeatedly. Then use what it pays you to buy ownership in something else. Work, asset, more assets. That's the wealth ladder. And the first rung is available to you right now at any income level. Let me show you what teen-size assets actually look like, because most of them don't look like music royalties. Asset type 1. Things you create once that keep paying. A digital design, a print-on-demand shirt, a stock photo, a YouTube video that keeps getting views. Each one is small, but each one pays you without you trading more hours for it. Asset type 2. Things you own that grow. An index fund inside a custodial account, shares of a business, even a lawn care route with repeat customers is an asset. It has value beyond this Saturday's mowing, and you can eventually sell it. Asset type 3. Skills that raise your rate. A skill you build once raises the value of every future hour you work. Now here's the honest part. Most teens, most adults, never make the jump from income to assets. Not because they can't, because every dollar that comes and goes right back out. The money arrives as income and leaves as spending. Egypt Dean's family clearly taught him the conversion step. The skill wasn't making money. The skill was converting it. 3 questions for every dollar you earn. Question 1. Does any of this become an asset, even 10%? Question 2. Can I create instead of only working? 1 hour making a design that sells online can pay you 50 times. Question 3. What am I building that I could eventually own or sell? A customer list, a channel, a product. Here's your challenge. Take whatever you earn most recently and convert 10% of it into something that can pay you back. Egypt Dean started with 1 beat at age 5. You're starting older, with more skills than a 5-year-old. The ladder is the same. Make something, own something, let it pay you. Hit subscribe if you want to learn the moves. See you in the next one.